Good afternoon, my YouTube friends and family. Just wanted to say hello and wanted to do a really quick video, a proof video actually, about this superb program that we have here. Okay, if you're looking to make $500 to $1,000 per week realistically, okay, not pie in the sky. I'm not, you see stuff in these magazines and on YouTube and on Facebook that says, oh, you can make $30,000 a month or $50,000 a month, for your first month. That's not realistic. Let's face it, it's not realistic at all. But I will tell you what I'm offering here to make $500 to $1,000 per week. Even if you make $500 per week, is very, very realistic. People are doing that with this program. And the way they're doing it is very simple. This flyer that you're looking at right here, it says Prosperity Home Network. The people are taking this flyer, okay? They're dropping it in the mail with leads that we provide for you, all right? And once a person receives this flyer, what they'll do, they'll open the flyer up and look at it, read it, and see there is a number here. It says 24-hour recorded message. What I'd like for you to do when this video is over, call that number. Yeah, call that number right there and just listen to it. It's about 7 minutes long, and it gives you a really good overview of what this program is all about. Talks in great detail about this information here, how the thing in the box here, we handle all your phone calls, no selling, no meetings, no expanding. It explains all of that stuff. This flyer, in conjunction with this recorded message, these are your sales tools. These are the tools that you would use to get people to join this program. I'm not asking you to twist your friend's arm or your family and friends, things like that at all. All you're doing is simply distributing this flyer out. Now, you can either mail it or you can send it electronically. I mean, you can just scan it and have it on your phone. This is something I do, and when people ask for it, I simply grab their email address and send it to them in the email in a PDF format. Can't even talk today. PDF format, and the person receives it instantly and is able to look at it and print it out if they want to. So that's just that's how it works. And so just got this recently. This is the owner of the company here. He's showing you some proof here. Some envelopes that he has. Some money here. Okay. Got this here and this here, and got a couple more down here. See those guys right down there, and this right here. Okay, really cool. What I have, I don't really want to, can't really go into what I have for you on this video. I really not talk about that, but something that I've kind of added to this flyer. Once you request this flyer, if you want this flyer, what I want you to do, that's my name, Brian D. Kelly, and this is my email address, bdkelly101@yahoo.com. What I want to do, what you do is to send me your email address. Once I receive your email address, then I'll go ahead and send you this flyer. Now, it's going to be a total of I think 4 pages, and I've added something additional on there that you are really, really going to like. Like I said, I can't really talk about it on this here, but it makes the Prosperity Home Network so much better, and you are absolutely going to love what I have here. Okay, so what I want you to do is make sure you request this flyer so you can see what this is all about and everything. Okay, all right. So as you know, this program is 2-tier. In other words, if I have this flyer and I send it to John Doe down the street, okay, and John Doe signs up, okay, well, I'm going to get a commission from him because he signed up directly with me. All right, so then John Doe gets his flyer, and John Doe sends out his flyer to Mary Sue. And Mary Sue signs up, so that means John Doe's going to get a some direct money from her But guess what? I'm going to get some money also because I'm in box 2. And, that could range anywhere from $25 all the way up to like, I don't know, $200-300. And the great thing about it is I didn't do anything to actually get that money. Me signing John Doe up, I kind of get that money by default. And so far this has happened twice. And kind of want to share with you, this is what happened here. This envelope here, okay? This is real, not fake. As you see my name right here, Brian Kelly. I covered the person's last name up for privacy purposes, all right? This is a tracking number just to verify that I'm not telling a lie. You can go back and look at that tracking number and see it was actually delivered here on the 22nd. I've been kind of a little bit late. So what I want to do is open this up, and I'm going to show you exactly some exact proof to prove that the money is there, and I did absolutely nothing at all to get this. And as a member of this program, you will be in the same situation. Once you get into it, people that you get involved, once they start making sales, you will reap the benefits of it. And to me, there's nothing like, because here's the deal. I didn't even expect this. I went to the mailbox, and actually I talked to my wife I called her. I said I'm expecting to get a package today, and I told her to make sure she goes to the mailbox and get it. So she did, and when I got home, I got the package that I was expecting, but there was another envelope, which is this envelope here. I'm thinking, what is this here? This is crazy. And so as I brought it in the house, I didn't open it right away, and so I get a text from the owner. He says, "Hey Brian, did you get a package from a lady named Beverly?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Well, I got the same thing," and then he told me how much it was. I'm like, "Really?" So he said, "You got the same thing as I did." I said, "Oh," and then I found out who this lady Beverly got under. She got under a lady I got involved with last week. Okay, so that proves right there that this system actually works. So basically, when you're not when you're not actually pushing this, you could potentially reap the rewards of a nice chunk of change for doing nothing. All right. So, with that being said, I'm going to put this camera down real quick. I'm going to open this, and we'll see what we have here. Okay, just hold on, guys. I'll put this thing down. Hold on. This is okay. 1 second here. I've got to get better with this camera thing. This is not really cool. Let's see here. Up here. All right. So wait a minute. Is this all right? All right. Brian Kelly. See there? And let's see here. Put down the camera again. 1 second. Okay. Huh. Okay. Cool. All right. So, let me just. I'm trying to cover the stuff up here. Okay. All right. Here we go. There. Okay. There you have it. See? To me, Brian Kelly. It's a postal money order. $200 from Beverly. Right? So there you have it. So it does work. This is something that will definitely make you some serious money. Hold a minute. And yeah. So like I said, if you want to get this flyer, then you gotta send me an email, bdkelly101@yahoo.com. Remember, I have something that I want to share with you in my particular package. Okay. That I think you really like. All right. So if you want to get it, send me an email and I'll get it to you. Okay. I'm expecting more stuff today in the mail or Cash App. So I will more than likely do another video tomorrow about that. Okay. So anyway, hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye for now.